up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. We're on the ferry leaving the island. Another adventure. It's Joanna's birthday adventure. Day 1. We're gonna be hitting 3 days of different waterfalls. We're gonna go to Clearwater, BC, and this is day 1. Day 1 itinerary is just basically leaving the island, going to the mainland, and we're gonna drive early tomorrow. We're gonna stay in a hotel tonight, but tomorrow we're gonna be staying in, where are we staying?
We're staying in a glamping resort.
All right. So that's a surprise, you'll see it. All right, come join us. Let's go.
Day 2.
All right, we're leaving our hotel from the ferry last night. We're at Chilliwack, stayed here for the night. Again, the purpose of yesterday is just to cut the travel time to the ferry. And now we're gonna drive up to Clearwater, BC. It's about 5 hours from here, but we're gonna go straight to the waterfalls. So I think we're gonna hit 3 waterfalls today. Let's go. So after about 6 hours of driving, probably 5 hours of that is on the highway, and then you go through about an hour of gravel road. We are on our first destination. 2 different waterfalls right there. 2 birds in 1 stone. Let's go. Very short hike, but this is our first stop. We're staying at Clearwater after this, so let's go check this out first. This? Whoa, yo, that's huge. Yo, that is huge. So after a really short hike, there's a really big falls right there. That's the first one. But big trees are blocking it, so can't really get a good view. I'll try to use my cell phone here and zoom in. All right, on to the next. Just follow the trail. Oh, this is the other one. There's a trail keeps going around. We're gonna follow it. I think it leads just right at the top of the waterfall. Let's go. Woo! Oh, here it is. So, see the fence over there. Gonna just walk around and follow the trail even more, and now we're right at the top of the waterfall. And alright, that was a quick hike. Very beautiful falls. Very short. I think it's just half a kilometer for the first one and another half, a total of 1 kilometer. So, and that's what we're here for. We're gonna be visiting a lot of waterfalls in the next couple of days. So, but this is just the first stop. This is a little bit away from our camping site. So we're gonna go to our campsite now. It's a little bit of a glamping, a little bit of a tent glamping. So I'll show it to you. Let's go. We were hoping we could stop by another falls on this side of Wells Gray Provincial Park, the Deception Falls. It's about 8 kilometers from the other 2 falls that we just viewed, but we came to a stop because roads are pretty sketchy, as you can see, and with our trusty Zoom Mazda 5, I don't want to risk it. We got 2 more days of driving and logging roads, so maybe we'll skip this. There's a lot more waterfalls on the other side of the park where we're staying, so it is what it is. After about 3 hours of driving outside that side of Wells Gray Park, we are now in our campsite. This is Cedar Haven Campground. It's a tent and cabin, but a kind of glamping type of tent. So that's where we're going. Let's look at it. Let's go.
For tent number 1.
It's just right there.
Okay. So do you want to
Let's go.
go for the zipper daw yung pinto?
Dorado.
Wait.
Wait. So this is where we're staying. So quiet in here. There's other tents around. It's been a long day though, so I'll end this video now. So I'll see you again next time. I will make a separate video, do a little tour of the tent, the campgrounds, and everything else. Go watch that video. It's pretty cool and pretty sweet in here. This campground, Cedar Haven Campground. So we're at Clearwater, BC right now. So, all right, thanks for joining me. Until next time, see ya.